it's an absolutely gorgeous day as we speak here at the San Siro. Derek Ray here on the commentary position, joined as always by Lee Dixon, and every reason to believe this is going to be enthralling. It's Milan against Borussia Dortmund.
Cheers, Derek. Yeah, really excited about this one. Looking forward to some entertaining end-to-end football.
Well, he has to be regarded always as a dangerous opponent, but what should we expect to see from him in this game, Lee?
Well, as a defender, when you're playing against a player like this, do your research. Find out where he likes to go, where he likes to finish from. Trouble with this player, he likes to finish from anywhere. Just watch his long shooting.
And Milan's lineup looks like this. The goalkeeper is the precocious Gianluigi Donnarumma. Simon Kjær plays alongside Alessio Romagnoli in central defence. Franck-Yannick Kessié starts alongside Lucas Biglia in central midfield. And rather than use a strike partnership, they've gone with just the one player in attack. This is the lineup for Dortmund. Well, there's no great mystery, is there? We know normally how they're going to play, and it's all about applying as much pressure as possible. Lee, can we anticipate seeing more of the same today?
Yeah, absolutely, Derek. If you're really good at something, then why not? They're very good at this. All the team members have bought into this style of play. One player slacks off and it all falls apart, though.
And a throw-in forthcoming. Biglia. It's with Çalhanoğlu, giving the ball away. Now with Hakimi. Jadon Sancho. Piszczek. Emre Can. Götze. Emre Can. In position to give them the lead, maybe. Well, the post getting in the way there. Witsel. Marco Reus. Can he finish here? A case of foiling the opposition by whatever means. Can. Here's Roy. Can he make it count? That will give them quite the lift. An early opening goal lead.
Well, you always want to start quickly, and there's certainly a quick start there. What a finish. Well, when you come to a game, you want to see skill like this. It's absolutely brilliant dribbling. The defender, he's all over the place. What a goal.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. So the game back in business. It's Borussia Dortmund with the lead here. Kessié. Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. Reus. And Witsel with it. Failure to hold it by Götze. And a throw-in it's going to be. And the defender takes care of business. Possession lost, intercepted. Bonaventura with it. Çalhanoğlu showing patience. Looking for the equaliser. And Zlatan Ibrahimovic in the centre. I must admit, I thought he was going to score with that header.
Yeah, it was a quality cross, and he gets up well, and it's just wide.
Biglia. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Can he get them level? Able to clear the danger, at least for now. Rebic! Simple save for the keeper.
Well, he had to pick the fly to the ball up, that was all. Got behind it. Good save.
It's with Çalhanoğlu. Kessié. Well, they must exercise caution standing off as they are. Well, body in the way. Çalhanoğlu. Kessié. Çalhanoğlu. Bonaventura! Just had to keep his concentration to the maximum, and he did.
Well, the players have to use this noise to their advantage, Derek. The opposition are really under the cosh.
Over it comes. No shortage of excitement. Level again. No wonder they're excited.
Well, it's almost a perfect headed goal. Brilliant delivery into the danger area. Good movement. Back of the net.
A chance to revisit the goal. So, a level contest, 1-1. Sancho now. Making progress. Hakimi. He has plenty of support. Bonaventura. Ibrahimovic. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Bonaventura with it. I must say this looks promising. Good tackle, it'll be a throw. Crossing opportunity. Çalhanoğlu. Delightful pass. Ibrahimovic. And you need your defender to take charge. Kessié. Kessié. And scope for the cross. Not messing around with that clearance. Kessié. Ibrahimovic at the ready. And caught with ease. No real threat from the cross. Marco Reus. Emre Can now. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Given away by Milan. Throw-ins given. Bonaventura. Kessié. Biglia. Looking for that final pass, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Ibrahimovic! Top quality goalkeeping from Roman Bürki. The feed from Bonaventura. It came to nothing. Hazard. On the ball, Torgan Hazard. Axel Witsel. Space on the flank. Royce. Cutting infield here. Marco Royce! And the keeper gets in the way. Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see. So the corner played into the box. Emre Can. He takes aim. Straight forward for the keeper. Emre Can now. Marco Reus. And that's an important intervention. Well, the action is going to continue for a while yet. We will have 4 minutes of stoppage time. Well, they keep working away, looking for passing lanes. Will he play it in? Bonaventura here. Hummels reading it well and winning it back. Really good reading of the game to win possession back. And with that, the first half draws to a close.
Angelo, Filippo, Enrico, Simone, Stefano, Alessandro, Luca, Miscia, Ale, Franco, Baresi.
Potrai avere anche la mia maglietta se compri l'orologio Italia. Te la regala Sakura. E anche da passeggio.
Non solo per te, Sakura.
Sakura è da nazionale, parola di Franco Baresi.
Abanderado!
Estàs bé?
Molt bé.
Abanderado!
Et van bé?
Molt bé.
Abanderado!
Et sents bé?
Molt bé.
Els homes porten abanderado, perquè les senyores compren abanderado.
Molt bé.
The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. So a throw in here.
Well, as we see from the stats, it's nothing to split these two teams up. It's been a brilliant attacking game. Defences are stretched on both sides. Midfielders creative for both sides. And the forwards have had a field day, Derek.
Wonderful challenge and a throw-in coming up. A very attractive looking move, easy on the eye, but nothing there. Rebic has it. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. This is Biglia. Kessié has it. The attack continues, they're making considerable progress. Emre Can now. Torgan Hazard. Here's Götze now. And plenty of scope to be creative in that wide position. Rebic has it. Kessié has it. Ibrahimovic. Hummels. It's with Mats Hummels. Götze. It did look on for them, but not to be. Sancho. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Absolutely magnificent goalkeeping.
Oh, he's almost turning away. He thinks he's scored. The goalkeeper doesn't.
And it is substitution time at this juncture. Not just from one side, but from both. Sancho. It needs an accurate cross. Now the attack promising as it was, scuppered there. And very deftly cut out. Jadon Sancho. Now with Hakimi. Mario Götze. Witsel into the advanced position. Wonderful chance. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. He's driven in the corner. Götze. Biex. And now Götze. Witsel. And the cross is very much on. Patient build-up at the moment. That's a very impressive piece of defending. Well, just couldn't quite keep himself onside. The flag has gone up. And Dortmund will go to the bench. So close to keeping himself onside, but offside is the verdict.
Well, and that's his job, the linesman. Give those tight offside decisions and get them right.
Ibrahimovic. Bonaventura. Hernandez. And scope for them to produce something exciting. Surely! An attempt like that, never likely to trouble the keeper.
No, he's got his positioning right, but it was a poor shot in the end.
Theo Hernandez now.
Well, listen to these fans. Feel that energy from this crowd. The Milan fans have been superb today.
And that's an important intervention. It's got to be! He's gone for power, Lee, but it's wide.
Well, no real direction, but the power was there. And you're right, it's just gone past the post.
Hummels. Zagadou. Here's Götze now. Brandt. Now with Hakimi. And it's a story of forward momentum from Borussia Dortmund. Can they produce? And offside is the decision. It must have been very closely.
Well, yeah, the linesman's got the best view of them all. I think he got that right.
Brandt. Royce. And Witsel with it. Brandt with it. Julian Brandt. That strong play here on the shielding front. Read it magnificently and intercepted. Samu Castillejo. Well, they're sitting ever deeper. Quick thinking to dispossess his opponent. Castillejo. genuinely thought they might cash in on that occasion, but haven't been able to do so. Just 10 minutes to go. Zagadou. It's with Guerrero. Mario Götze. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. And breaking at pace with menace. Paqueta. Bonaventura with it. An incisive pass. They'll be disappointed with that offside decision, but it was correct.
Oh, it's so close, right at the end of the game, but I think he got that one spot on, the linesman.
Only 5 minutes left for play, and tension galore with the teams locked together. Brandt. Jadon Sancho. And Julian Brandt. Into the advanced position. Brandt! Superb piece of goalkeeping to prevent them from falling behind.
Oh, top keeping that is. Top keeping. Well done.
Corner kick played in. The end product just wasn't there. On the ball, Rafael Leao. Given away by the Rossoneri. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. And Dortmund committed to getting forward. Can they grab a late winner? Brandt. He's got the right idea with that pass. Now with Hakimi. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Julian Brandt. Guerrero. And the referee blows his whistle. Still all square after 90 minutes.